Want to know about HMPV, its severity, protection, and treatments? Don't panic, watch the video for all the details. HMPV is a member of the Paramyxoviridae family and related to RSV. HMPV causes 5 to 15% of global respiratory infections, primarily during late winter and spring. HMPV is a respiratory virus first identified in 2001. Though it often causes mild symptoms, its impact on high-risk populations, such as young children, the elderly, and immunocompromised individuals, makes it a significant concern. How does HMPV spread? HMPV spreads through respiratory droplets, direct contact, or contaminated surfaces. It thrives in colder months, causing seasonal outbreaks during late winter and early spring. Symptoms of HMPV infection. The severity ranges from mild cold-like symptoms to severe respiratory illness. Mild cases: 1. Fever. 2. Cough. 3. Runny nose. 4. Sore throat. Severe cases: 1. Wheezing. 2. Shortness of breath. 3. Bronchiolitis or pneumonia. Comparison with other viruses. COVID-19 1. Can cause a wider range of symptoms, including high fever, body aches, fatigue, and loss of taste or smell. 2. Shortness of breath can be more common, especially in severe cases. 3. New variants may have different symptom profiles. RSV 1. Primarily affects the lower respiratory tract, causing wheezing and shortness of breath, especially in infants. 2. Can cause severe disease in young children and older adults. Common cold 1. Usually causes mild symptoms, such as runny nose, sore throat, and sneezing. 2. Fever and body aches are less common. 3. Rarely causes shortness of breath. Compared to COVID-19 and RSV, HMPV generally has a lower severity but poses serious risks to vulnerable populations. Scene: visual of healthcare settings with patients receiving supportive care treatment and supportive care for HMPV. Currently, there is no approved vaccine or specific antiviral treatment for HMPV. Supportive care is the primary approach, including hydration and fluids to prevent dehydration. Oxygen therapy for severe respiratory distress. Over-the-counter medications for fever and congestion, always under medical supervision. Probenecid, a drug which is used in the treatment of chronic gout or gouty arthritis. Recent research has highlighted the potential of probenecid, a drug traditionally used to treat gout, in combating HMPV. Studies published in Viruses, 2024, demonstrate that probenecid significantly inhibits HMPV replication in vitro and in animal models. While not yet approved for widespread use against HMPV, these findings open new avenues for repurposing existing medications. Investigational and emerging therapies. Other experimental drugs showing promise include ribavirin, an antiviral that inhibits RNA synthesis but is limited by its toxicity. Favipiravir, a broad-spectrum RNA polymerase inhibitor under investigation for RNA viruses, including HMPV. Monoclonal antibodies, targeting the virus's F protein to block entry into host cells. Palivizumab, used for RSV, serves as a model for developing similar drugs against HMPV. Fusion inhibitors, designed to prevent the virus from merging with host cell membranes. Ultra-potent human MAb, MPV-467, was demonstrated to protect against HMPV infection prophylactically and therapeutically. It's under investigational and approved. Preventing HMPV infection. Prevention is critical to reducing the spread of HMPV as there are no medicines approved. Wash hands frequently with soap and water. Use masks in crowded or high-risk areas. Disinfect commonly touched surfaces regularly. Avoid close contact with those showing respiratory symptoms. Footage of Indian healthcare settings and children recovering. HMPV in India. Not new studies in India reveal its prevalence in children under 5 and adults, with outbreaks occurring seasonally. One of the study in Delhi, 2013 to 2015, found that HMPV accounted for approximately 5 to 10% of acute respiratory infections in hospitalized children. In India, HMPV contributes significantly to respiratory infections, especially among children. Limited access to diagnostics in rural areas and overlapping symptoms with other respiratory viruses often lead to underreporting. However, improved surveillance and growing awareness are helping address this silent threat. Since no specific medicines or vaccines are currently available for the virus, prevention is crucial. If symptoms occur, seek medical advice promptly. While HMPV may not have the pandemic potential of viruses like COVID-19, it remains a public health concern for vulnerable populations. Through preventive measures, innovative research, and repurposing drugs like probenecid, we can reduce its impact and protect our communities. Stay vigilant, stay safe. Together, we can combat respiratory illnesses like HMPV.